Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time. As you can see from the title, we're doing a festive look, so I'll be using greens and red. And I'm starting off with the green in my crease and patting it in before blending it out. Now I'm placing yellow right above the green and using it to blend out the edges of green, and then going in with tan and then blending out the edges of the yellow. I'm going in with brown and blending that into my crease, and then I'm going to clean up my lid space with concealer so that I can get the best pigmentation from the shimmer. Now I'm going in with Vibe, which is the green shade, and just placing that on my lid and then blending out the edges with the brown that I used in my crease. I'm priming with my priming water from Makeup Revolution, and then going in with my black Opal foundation and buffing that in with my Morphe Y6 foundation brush. I'm using my LA Girl concealer to highlight my T-zone except for my forehead, and then I'm going to spray that before blending it in because it helps me blend out my concealer easier. And then blending that out with my Morphe sponge, and then I'm going to contour my cheeks with my black Opal stick before moving on to setting my face with powder. I'm using the Revolution Fixing Spray to hydrate my face before going in with my powder to contour and an orange blush from Jackie Guido. For highlight, I'm using my usual baked highlighter and just placing that on my cheekbones, chin, nose, and on my brow bone. To finish off the eyes, I'm using glazed in my inner corners and then going in with the green we placed in our crease and just placing that under my eye. Red lip liner and a lip stain from Jackie Guido, and that is the end of this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this festive Christmassy look. Please let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.